2025 Mercedes S-Class is set to be a benchmark in the luxury sedan segment, combining cutting-edge design with advanced technology and impressive performance. The front design of the 2025 S-Class showcases an aggressive yet elegant look, dominated by a bold grille and advanced LED headlights. The headlights integrate intricate LED patterns, which not only add a touch of sophistication, but also enhance visibility and safety. The rear of the 2025 S-Class continues the blend of elegance and modernity with sleek taillights that feature an intricate light pattern, adding to the car's luxurious appearance. The quad exhaust outlets, incorporated into a well-sculpted lower bumper, suggest that this S-Class is not just about comfort and luxury, but also offers substantial power under the hood. The overall design of the rear is streamlined, with subtle curves and minimalistic badging that emphasize its upscale appeal. The interior of the 2025 S-Class embodies luxury and technology integration at its finest. The cabin features plush, high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and wood accents, creating an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display that seamlessly blends the infotainment system with the driver's instrument cluster, providing an immersive and intuitive user experience. While official performance specifications for the 2025 S-Class have not been released, expectations are high. The 2025 model is anticipated to feature powerful engine options, possibly including a hybrid or fully electric variant to cater to the evolving market demands. Given the advancements in design, technology, and performance, the 2025 Mercedes S-Class is expected to command a premium price in the luxury market. While specific figures are speculative, the starting price is likely to be around $100,000 to $110,000 for the base model,